As an HR professional, you typically handle at least one aspect of every employee's job every day, leaving you feeling consumed by a mountain of small tasks. HRNext is a cloud-based human capital management system designed to ease the demands placed on HR while instantly providing information to employees. With HRNext, employees can request time away from work, check benefits and deductions, view compensation, track time, print W-2s, and so much more. The employee self-service functions are designed for ease of use. Anyone familiar with basic computer skills will find HRNext intuitive and friendly from their desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. The software also helps with many other tasks. It seamlessly integrates payroll, benefits, and timekeeping functions, creating an efficient one-step process for managing payroll. HRNext is especially well-suited for the recruitment process from application to onboarding. Companies can create tailored job descriptions, customize application questions, and new hires can complete paperwork online. And employee access doesn't stop there. The talent management function allows employees, management, and HR to track licenses, certifications, training, and much more. Best of all, updates are instantly populated in real time throughout the system, including payroll and timekeeping. Reporting is simple too. Choose from an extensive library of standard reports or create your own with the easy-to-use ad hoc report writer, providing you with the information you need at your fingertips. There is so much more that you can do with HRNext. Give us a call or send us an email and let us show you what an integrated human capital management system can do for you.